Good morning, friends. So in previous class we are discussing about the divisibility rule 1 to 11 numbers. So today we are going to large divisibility rule. What is the 7 divisibility rule? We know. So large numbers given, how to we are using 7 divisibility rule. Next one, what is 42 divisibility rule? What is 81 divisibility rule? What is 45 divisibility rule? Once we are check these divisibility rule. So 7 divisibility rule. 7 divisibility rule. So when large numbers given, like a small numbers given, three hundred 72, 392. How to we are using last number 2 times, 2 cross out 2, 4. These 4 subtract from remaining rest of 2 numbers. 39 minus 4, 35. So these number divisible by 5. So this is also divisible. These number not divisible. This is also not divisible. So this is 7 divisibility rule. Large numbers given, how do we do? So like here 5, 7 like 5. So this like a large numbers given. How do we do this using 7 divisibility rule? So in this case, first from the right to left, every 3 digit after you keep one group. So this is a one group. This is a one group. This is a one group. So these 2 groups. Now this is a B, C, D. So every large number given 3 digit you are create one group. So now here 4 groups. So now A plus C, these 2 groups, and B plus C, these 2 groups you are added. So A 849 plus 538. So 17 and 8, 13. So B plus C 876 plus 7. 6 plus 7, 13. Next one 8. Next one 8. So now A plus C group 1387, B plus C, B D group 883. Now these 2 are your subtracted. 1387 minus 883. 4, 0, here 5. 504 divided by 7. Once you are checked. So now you are using these small numbers given. What is the 7 divisibility rule? Last number 2 twice you write. So 4 plus 4, once number twice. 4 plus 4, 8. These 8 rest of numbers 50 minus 8. So 50 rest of number 8, 42. So these 42 divided by 7 divisible or not divisible? 42 divided by 7 divisible or not divisible? Divisible. divisible. This is 7 divisibility rule. When large number given, we are using these process. So each 3 digits, right to from left 3 digits, you are create a group. So total here, this is one group, one group, one group, one group. For example, here given 6 numbers A and B. So these here 2 groups only. So these 2 groups you are subtract 536, 263. Here 3, we take one number, here 7, 273. So 273, 3 twice, right? 3 plus 3, 6. These 6, 27 minus 6, 21. 21 divided by 7. Divisible or not divisible? Divisible. So this is also divisible, right? This is a 7 divisibility rule. You are understand? Clear? So I hope on both you are understand. So right. Next one, what is 9 divisibility rule? What is 3 divisibility rule? So we know 9 divisibility rule and 3 divisibility rule. Divisibility rule. Asked is what is a 3 divisibility rule? What is a 9 divisibility rule? See, 3 3s are 9. So 3 divisibility rule 9. So 9 9s are 81. So what is the 9 divisibility rule? 81 also same divisibility rule. See, a number divisible by 81 when sum of the in that number divisible by 9 or 81, that number divisible by no 81 only, right? 81, that number divisible by 81. So here example 5 plus 3 53 7 9 only, right? Here 2 7 4 divided by here 3 81. So 5,73,273 divided by 81. So here 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 2 17. 17 plus 7 24. 24 plus 3 27. 27 divided by 9. Divisible or not divisible? Divisible. So this is also divisible. So once we are check 83 5s are 83 6s are 81 486. So 1 here we take 13 5. So 2 right again 80 81 6 jar 486. So we take 12 here 6 0 here 2 again 7 right 83 80 81 3s are 243 4 2 here 3 right 81 3s are 243. So divisible or not divisible? Divisible. So 5,37,273 divided by 81. Sum of the all digits divisible by 9. That number also divisible by 8. 81. That is the 81 divisibility rule. Right. Next one. (42) divisibility rule. Divisibility rule. A number divided by divisible by 40 divisible by 42 when in ones place digit twice subtract from rest of in that number. So the result divisible by 7. Here see a number divisible by 42 when in ones place twice in ones place digit twice subtract from rest of in that number, that result divisible by 7. So 483 divided by 42. So here see ones place number 3 plus 3 6. So when in ones place twice right these numbers subtract from rest of the number 48 minus 6. How much? 42. These 42 divided by 7 divisible or not divisible? Divisible. So this is also divisible. That is 7 divisibility, 42 divisibility rule. Divisible. So here also divisible. Next one. We know 11 divisibility rule. So every divisibility rule we know. Next to exercise 15.4. First problem. See, check the whether 2,25,110 divisible by 42, 45. So given number, what are the given number? 25,110. These number divisible by 45. Once you are checked. So 25,100 divided by 45. I said 45 divisibility rule. What is the 45 divisibility rule? So 45 divisibility rule. So here see 9 5s are 45. Yes. So 45 divisibility rule, 9 divisibility rule, at the same time 5 divisibility rule. These two numbers satisfy, and that number also divisible by 45. Like a 2 3s are 6. So a number divided by 2 as well as divided by 3, that number divisible by 6. Good morning students. In last class we are discussing about the divisibility rule and 1 to 11 divisibility rule. So today we are going to a divisibility rule of 11 and 12, 42, 35 and 45. These divisibilities. How do we learn these divisibility rule? So we know 7 divisibility rule. What is 7 divisibility rule? A number divided by 7, when in that number one's place twice subtract from rest of the number, their sum is divided by 7, that number is divisible by 7. We know this one. So here large number given, how do we do? So here see 7 divisibility rule, large numbers. 7 divisibility rule, large number. So here one number given. These number you first each 3 from right to left side, each 3 digits you create a group. So 1 2 3, this is one group. 1 2 3, this is one group. So here A, here B, and here these two you are subtracting. 732, 658. So how much? We take 2 here, 12 here, 2 here, 4 again here, 6 here, 12, 74. These 74 twice of number, ones place twice of number. So ones place 4, 4 plus 4, 8. 8, 74 minus 8, how much? So here 6, here 6, 66. 66 divided by 7, divisible or not divisible? Not divisible. So this is divided by 7, not divisible. Clear? Here 3 numbers, 3 digits from right to set a one group. So these 2 groups we are subtract after a result. So difference twice apply the 7 divisibility rule. So not divisible. So this number also not divisible. And a large number given like here 7, 5, 3, 8, 8, 7, 6, 8, 4, 9. So this is a large number given. How to solve this problem? So 1, 2, 3 as it is this like only. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here A, this is A group, this is B group, this is C group, this is D group. Here 4 groups. So how to we are solve? So A plus C you are added. A plus C. How much? 849 and 538. So 17, 8, 30. Next, B plus D. B plus D how much? 876, 7. So 13, 8, 8. So now these 2 are subtracted. 1387 minus 883. So 405. Now 507. These 507 divided by 7. Once you check. So here 504 divided by 7. So 4 twice number. 4 plus 4, 8. So twice 2 times you are added. So rest of the numbers means 50. 50 minus 8, 42. 42 divided by 7. Possible or not possible? Divisible or not divisible? Divisible. So this number also divisible. Are you clear? So here like a 3 groups coming. How do we do? There is no 7. So A plus C and minus B subtract after a difference divided by 7. So that like you can do. So write this one. Next one, what is 42 divisibility rule? divisibility rule. So a number you take 538 divided by 42. Divisible or not divisible? So in that number, here see. So here once place, twice, two times. 8 plus 8, 16. These 16, rest of the number 53 minus 16, 37. These 37 divisible by 7. Once you are checked, divisible or not divisible? Not divisible. So this is also not divisible. Next one, 483 divided by 42. So ones place, two times, twice, 3 plus 3, 6. So rest of the number 48 minus 6, 42 divided by 7. Divisible or not divisible? 7 6 are 42. So divisible. So here also divisible. This is 42 divisibility rule. Next one, 81 divisibility rule. 81 divisibility rule. See, 3 3s are 9. So as is divisibility rule, 9 also same divisibility rule. So 3 divisibility rule what? A number divided by 3 when sum of the all digits in that number divided by 3, that number also divided by 3. Here a number divided by 9 when sum of the all digits divisible in that number divisible by 9, that number also divisible by 9. So 9 9s are 81. So as is a number divided by 81 when a number divided by divisible by 9, 81 when sum of the all digits in that number divisible by 9, divisible by 81. So that number also divisible by 81. Divisible by 81. Right. Here divisible by 9. So a number divided by divisible by 81 when the sum of the all digits in that number divisible by 9, that number also divisible by 81. Here 61,479 divided by 81. So these are your added 6 plus 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 4 11 4 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 9 27. So 27 divided by 9, divisible or not divisible? Divisible. So this is also divisible. Next one, that is the 81 divisibility rule. And next another problem, 8 6 7 3 divided 6 9 divided by 81. So 8,67,369 divided by 81. So these all numbers you are adding, 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus. So 7 plus 3 10, 6 plus 6 12, 22, 22 plus 17 39, 14 21 30 39, 39 divided by 9, divisible or not divisible? Not divisible. So this is also not divisible. Right. Next one, exercise 4, first problem. Exercise 4, first one. See, check the weather. 25,110 is divisible by 45. First one. Check the weather. 25,110 divisible by 45. So here 45 divisibility rule. What is the divisibility rule? 9. 9 5s are 45. So 9 divisibility rule and 5 divisibility rule satisfy a number. 45 divisibility rule also, that is, or like a 2 3s are 6. So here note 45 divisibility rule. Simple. Last is 6 divisibility rule. What? A number divided by 6 when that number divided by 2 and divisible divided by 3, that number also divisible by 6. As it is here, a number divided by 45 when a number divided by 9 and as it is 5, that number is divisible by 45 also. A number divisible by 45 when that number divisible by 9 and 5. So that number also divisible by 45. So here 25,110 divided by 45. So 25,110 divided by 5. Divisible or not divisible? We know what is a 5 divisibility rule. In ones place 0 or 5, that number is divisible by 5. So here 0. So this number divisible by 5. Next 25,110 divided by 9. What is the 9 divisibility rule? These sum of the all digits 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. So 9 divided by 9 divisible. So 25,110 divided by 45 divisible. Next one. Check the whether 61,479 divisible by 81. So next one 61,479 divisible by 81. What is the 81 divisibility rule? The sum of the all digits divisible by 9. This number also divisible by 81. So here 61 divided by 61,479 divided by 9. Divisibility rule 6 plus 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9. 6 plus 1 5 plus 4. 6 plus 1 7 plus 4 11 plus 9 7 18 plus 9 27 divided by 9 divisible. So 61,479 divided by 81 is also divisible. Next one. Check the whether 864 divisible by 36 and verify whether 864 divisible by all the factors of 36. So what is a 36 divisibility rule? Here see 6 6 are 36. So what is 6 divisibility rule? As is 36 divisibility rule also, that is next one. Third one. Divisibility rule. 36 divisibility rule. So what is divisibility rule? 36 divisibility rule. 6 divisibility rule satisfy. So 6 divisibility rule satisfy a number. That number also 36 that number also divisible by 36. So here given number, two numbers given. First one, factors of 36. factors of 36. 1, 2, next 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So this is the factors of 36. I know everyone knows factors. Next one, here asking 864 divided by 36. So 864 divided by 6. Once you are check. So 864 divided by 2. Why? What is the 6 divisibility rule? A number divided by 2 and 3, that number also divided by 6. So here 2. What is the 2 divisibility rule? Ones place even number. Ones place even number, that number also divisible by 2. So here 864 divided by 2 is divisible. Next one, 864 divided by 3. What is the 3 divisibility rule? 8 plus 6 plus 4. 18 divided by 3. Divisible. So this is also divisible. Now this number 2 and 3 divisible. Automatically 6 also divisible. So 6 divisible. After that 36 also divisible. Next one, 700. No. These 864 divided by 1. 864 divided by 2, 864 divided by 3, 864 divided by 4, 864 divided by 9, 864 divided by 12, 864 divided by 18, 864 divided by 36. So divisible, this number is divisible. Why? 1 is a universal factor. Every number divisible by 1. What is it? 2 divisibility rule. In ones place even number. So divisible by 2. 3. Already here we prove that. 4. What is the 4 divisibility rule? Last 2 digit number divisible by 4. That number also divisible by 4. So 64, 16 6 are 64 divisible. What is the 9 divisibility rule? 3 divisibility rule as is 9 also divisible. 12 divisibility rule. A number divided by 3 and 4. That number also divisible by 12. 18 divisible. What is 18 divisibility rule? A number divided by 2 as is 9, that number also divisible by 18. 36 also divisible. So 6 and 864 factors of 36, all digits, all numbers are divisible. Next one, check whether 756 divisible by 42. Next one, verify whether 756 is divisible by all the factors of 42 as is this like only. We know 42 divisibility rule as to 7 divisibility rule only 42. So here 856. Fourth one, factors of 42. What of 1? 2. Next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 21, 42. So 756 divided by 42. So here 756 divided by 7, you check. What is the 7 divisibility rule? In one's place, twice you write. 6 plus 6, 12. These 12, rest of the numbers, 75. 75 minus 12, 63. 63 by 7 divided by 7. Divisible or not divisible? Divisible. So 42 also are divisible. Next one, 756 divided by 1. Divisible or not divisible? Divisible. 756 divided by 2. Divisible or not divisible? 2 divisibility rule. In one's place, even number. 756 divided by 3. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. Divisible. 756 divisible by 6. So 2 divisible, 3 divisible, automatically 6 also divisible. 7 divisible by 756 divisible by 7 divisible. Next one, 756 divisible by 14. What is 14 divisibility rule? A number divided by 2, a number divided by 7, that number also divisible by 14. 756 divided by 21. What is 21 divisibility rule? A number divided by 3, a number divided by 7. Why? 3 7s are 21. So these two numbers satisfy, 21 also satisfy. 756 divided by 42. So 2 and 21 divisible, that number also divisible by 40. Next problem. Check the whether 2156 is divisible by 11 and verify the whether 2156 is divisible by product of 11 and 7. Given number 2156. Asking these number divided by 11 divisible or not divisible. So what is 11 divisibility rule? Sum of the odd places, sum of the even places are different. So here sum of the odd places. So 6 plus 1, 7. Sum of the even places. 5 plus 2, 7. So 6 plus 1, 5 plus 2. These are difference. 7 minus 7, 0. These 0 divided by 11. So divisible or not divisible? Divisible. So this number also divisible. Next, the product of 11 and 7. 11 cross out 7, 77. So these number divided by 7 and divided by 11, that number also divided by 77. So 2156 divided by 7. What is A? B. Large number given. Formula 7 divisibility. So 156 minus 2, 154. So 15. 154 divided by 7. So here what? Ones place 4 plus 4, 8. So 15, rest of the number 8 minus 15 minus 8. 7 divided by 7, divisible. So here 2156 divided by 7 is divisible. So now here 2156 divided by 77 is also divisible. Right. Next one, check the whether 1435 is divisible by 5 and 7. Verify the product of divisible by 5 and 7. As is this like only. Sixth one. Here given number given number 1435. So 1435 divisible by 5. Divisible or not divisible? Divisible. We know what is 5 divisibility rule. Ones place 0 or 5, that number is divisible by 5. So here ones place here, which number given? 5. So 1435 divided by 5 is divisible. Next one. So 1435 divided by 7, divisible or not divisible? So here what is the 7 divisibility rule? Last number twice. So 140, 5 plus 5, 10. So 143 minus 10, 133 divided by 7. So 19 7 jar 133. So 133 divided by 7 is divisible. So this is also divisible. Next they are asking the product of 5 and 7. The product of 5 and 7. What is 5 cross out 7? 35. So this number divisible by 35. Divisible or not divisible? easily we said one number is divisible, that factors also are divisible. See, 1335 divided by 7 is divisible, is also divisible. How? Note a number. Next one, check the whether 456 and 618 are divisible by 6, and also check the whether 6 divided by the sum of 456 and 680. So next sum, here 618 and 456 divisible by 6. 456 divisible by 6, 686 18 divisible by check. What is 6 divisibility rule? A number divided by 6 when that number divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, that number also divisible by 6. So here 456 divided by 6. So 456 divided by 2. What is the 2 divisibility rule? So in one's place is an even number, that number is divisible by 2. One's place even number. So 456 divided by 2 is divisible. Next one, 456 divided by 3. So 4 plus 5 plus 6. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 divided by 3 is divisible. So 456 is divisible. So 456 is divided by 6 also divisible. Clear? Next one, 618 divided by 6. So 618 divided by 2. Divisible or not divisible? So 618 divided by 2. Here one's place even number. So 618 divided by 2 is divisible. Next one, 618 divided by 3. 6 plus 1 plus 8. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 divided by 3 is divisible. So, is divisible. So 618 also divided by 6 also divisible. So next one, these both sum, like a sum of the numbers. How much? 456 plus 618. So 456, 618. 6 plus 8, 14. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 10. So 1074. These 1074 divided by 6, they are asking. So 1074 divisible by 2. In ones place, even number. So 1076 divided by 2 is divisible. Next one. 1076 divided by 3. 1 plus 0 plus 7 plus 6. 14 divided by 3. Divisible or not divisible? Not divisible. So 1076 divided by 3 is not divisible. So 1076 divided by 6 is also not divisible. Right. Sorry, here small mistake. 1074, but here I write 1076. Sorry. So 2 is a divisible. Here 3 divisible. Why? Here 4. So 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 1. So 3 also not divisible. So 6 also not divisible. So here any number we write a mistake, completely sum is a mistake. So actually in running class any student is observing 7, but here sometime mistake. So write careful. If you have any mistake, so you are check your correct. Next one, 8th one. Check whether 876 and 345 divisible by 3. Their difference. So as is 8th problem, as is dislike only. Here sum asking, their difference asking. So 8th one. Given numbers. Given numbers, what are they? 876, 345. 876 divided by 3. So 8 plus 7 plus 6. 21 divided by 3. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 6, 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3 is divisible. So here 876 is divisible. Next one, 345 divided by 3. 3 plus 4 plus 5. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. Divisible or not divisible? Divisible. So is divisible. Next one here, a difference of number. Difference of number 876 minus 345. So 876 minus 345. So 135. So 531. These difference divided by 3. So 5 plus 3 plus 1, 9 divided by 3 is divisible. So 531 is divisible. Next one. Check the 2 square 2 cube plus 2 power 8 divisible by 2 and 4 are both 2 and 4. Ninth one. 2 square 2 cube 2 power 4 value 2 square 4 2 cube 8 2 power 4 16 28. So these 28 divided by 2 is divisible. 28 divided by 4 is divisible. Easy this one. 2 14s are 4 7s are. Ninth one. Next one, 10th one. 30 square 32 square. 32 square value how much? 32 2s are 64. 32 3s are 66 plus 6 82. 824. 832 square value 824. 824. 32 2 is 64. 32 3s are 96. 102. 1024. So 1024 divisible by 8 and divisible by 4. So 1024 divided by 4. What is the divisibility rule? 4 last 2 digits. 24 divided by 4 is divisible. So 1024 divided by 4 is divisible. Next one. This number 1024 divided by 8. What is 8 divisibility rule? Last 3 digit number divisible by 8. Last 3 digit number 024. So 024. 8 3s are 24. So divisible. So 1024 divided by 8 is divisible. Next one, 10th one. Check the if A679B is a 5 digit number is divisible by 72. Find the A and B value. copy fast. Next one, here last one. Here see, given number 11th one. Given number A79 A679B. These number divided by 72. What is 72 divisibility rule? 72 divisibility rule. So easy, any number divisibility rule. So 1 to 10 numbers we know, 11 numbers. After, now what is the 12 divisibility rule? 3 4s are 12. So a number divided by 3, a number divided by 4, that is 12 divisibility rule. 13 divisibility rule different, why? Prime number. So 14 divisibility rule, 2 7s are 14. Next 15, 3 5s are 15. 16, 4 divisibility rule, like the last 4 digit numbers. 4 4s are 16. So 4 2 digit, 8 3 digit, 16 last 4 digit numbers. Next 5, 17 prime number, 18 2 9s are 18. So 2 divisibility rule, 8 divisibility rule. So 72, 9 8 are 72 rule. So 9, a number divided by a number divisible by 72 when that number divisible by 9 and 8. So here we know 9 divisible, first 8 divisibility rule. What is 8 divisibility rule? Last 3 digit number. So 679B divided by 8. So 79B divided by 8. Here ones place number we don't know. So now here see 100 plus, why? This is a 100 place. Next this is tens place. Next this is B. So 100 plus 107A. So here 700. So 700 plus 90 plus B. So 790 plus B. So these 790, 8 divisible. 8 9s are 72. So how much? 7 0 8 8 64. How much? 2. Remainder is a 2. So these remainder, how many numbers needed divisible by 8? So a remainder needed 2 numbers. 2 numbers. So 6 plus 2, 8. These 8 divisible by 8. Yes. So now here b equal to 2. So now here 790 plus b 2. 792. So now we find the b value. Now a value. Here, what is the 9 divisibility rule? Sum of the all numbers. So here a 6 7 9 2 divided by 9. So a plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 2. So 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 9 21. 22 plus 2, 24 divided by 9. So these a plus 24 divided by 9. These 24 you are divisible. So 9 2s are 18. How much is 6? So reminder, how many numbers needed divisible by 9? 3 numbers needed. So reminder needed 3 numbers. So 6 plus 3, 9 divided by 9. So a equal to 6. Given number is 66,792. That is a given number. So here exercise 4 finished. Tomorrow we are going to exercise 5. Practice at home. Shall leave the class. Take care.